to my channel. I am Megan. This is Ethereal Orb Art. And I've got some pretty colors today, I think. When I was in Ohio visiting family several months ago, my sister gave me some little tubes of basics that she had. She was doing some painting and she hadn't for quite a while, so she decided to gift me her basics that she had left, just this little tubes she bought in a set. Now, I think they might have been just a hair bit old. I have no idea. I've had them for a few months, well, several months, and so I'm not sure how long they were sitting in her house, but there were some that were kind of stringy. This one was a bit stringy, and I think the green were a bit stringy, so we'll see. Hopefully they seem to mix up okay, so here's hoping. So I have cadmium yellow light hue, I have bronze, deep violet, and brilliant yellow green. Now the brilliant purple that I wanted to use, where is it? It's right here. It was really, really clumpy, and no matter what I did, I mixed. I had Floetrol and water, I mixed, and it would not smooth out. And that one was really clumpy coming out of the tube. So what I did was I mixed some mauve pale, my Arteza, with some titanium white to kind of get that same purpley color. Because I really liked that with the other bright colors. I really liked having that one that wasn't quite so bright. And then I have some Academy Acrylic in turquoise green that I mixed up, and then just some titanium white. They are all mixed with 1:1 ratio of paint to Floetrol with water added to get to my loose custard mix. If you're not familiar with that and you are having problems with your paint consistency, you can check that video out. I'll link to it below. It's how I mix all my paints unless I'm doing a ring pour. I have a separate mix for that. Okay, so I have a little 8x10 canvas here. And I'm just going to do a flip cup, I think, with all these really pretty colors. So I'm going to put some white in here. I might put a little bit of white on the canvas also. We'll see. Let's start with a paler color. Ooh, that looks... Oh, that's my... I was like, that looks wrong. That was my lumpy one. I was like, what is wrong with that? It was okay when I poured it. Or when I mixed it. Oops, I should have taken my bracelets off. Oh, and everything has a couple drops of silicone oil in it that I'm using treadmill belt silicone oil. The Spot On is what it's called. Let's put this over here. I really like these colors. And she gave me she gave me these, now this was one that was kind of stringy, so we'll see. She gave me her paints in a little plastic tote, and I saw so many colors that I was really excited about. And this purple was one of them. This one, what is it? Deep violet, really pretty. I love this turquoise. Let's add a little bit more of this bronze. Just a hair bit of yellow over here, and I think we will be good. I need paint for this little canvas. Now, I'm going to do something that I've not done before. This is Flow Aid, and it's really thin. Now, it said to mix with water. 20 parts water, or 20 parts, yeah, 20 parts water to 1 part Flow Aid. But I'm hoping maybe it'll kind of just make my canvas wet and help that paint to flow a little bit. Yeah, let's see. Oh. Ready? Bloop. Sound effects. Always, always, always. Alright, are we good there? Put it up. Okay. So I'm going to do a little bit of white around. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of white just in this corner. Ooh, that really does make it flow. Wow, maybe too much. This will be interesting. I've put Floetrol down before and I've flooded it with a certain paint color or whatever. But I've never, this should be interesting. It's already drying though in some areas, so maybe it won't. Bloop. A lot of paint, maybe too much. Wow, that's really flowing. Really, really, oh, that's pretty. Alright, I need to torch this real quick so I can get this under control here. Oh, those colors are really pretty though. Let's go this way since it's kind of the way it's wanting to go anyway. Woo! Okay, so I think this flow aid is actually hindering. Almost. It's almost uncontrollable. Okay. So what I think I'm going to do, wow, that's really, yeah, it's going a lot faster than what I would. It's making it a bit difficult. So I think actually I really like it. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little white to these corners here. And, ooh, I like that little bit of color right there. So I'm just going to fix the edges and call it a day, I think. I really kind of like that, the way it is. I might just lightly blow out these edges, just a little bit to help with the, actually let's go. Gosh, I'm not messing with it. It's, that flow aid is not a good idea, apparently. Okay, but we are going to call it a day. I think it's actually really pretty. So I'm just going to fix up the edges, but you don't need to watch that. I'll give you some close-ups though real quick. Okay, so sorry for the glare. I'm going to try and get it without it. Here, we'll do some close-ups. I added a little white to the edges where it needed to be. That shimmer from that bronze is really pretty. But I think it turned out really neat. I don't think I'll use that flow aid again. Although I may try it because it did some interesting things. It created, I think, this area. I'll have to go back and watch the video. It was partly from the way it flowed, but it was really, really, really hard to control. It went really fast in the areas where are on the edges. I mean, it was just almost like I couldn't go as slow as I usually like to control it a little bit. But I don't know, it might be worth revisiting just to see. So there we have it, another one done. That was pretty quick. Let me know what you think, or if you've used flow aid before for anything. Curious what you've used it for. And we will see you next time, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and that little bell will notify you when I post a new video. Let me know what you're up to in the comments or what you thought of this painting, and we will see you next time. Happy pouring!